Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of retro gaming with the M8 video game stick. If you're a fan of classic games and want to relive the nostalgia of your favorite childhood titles, then this is the perfect console for you. With over 10,000 built-in games, including classics from platforms like PS1 and GBA, you'll never run out of new adventures to embark on. The M8 is equipped with a 2.4G wireless controller, ensuring that you have the freedom to move and play without the hassle of tangled wires. Not only does the M8 offer a wide variety of games, but it also features a 4K HDMI output for crystal clear graphics and original HD, truly bringing your gaming experience to the next level. The easy-to-use interface and support for multi-languages make it accessible to gamers of all backgrounds. Additionally, the inclusion of popular emulators like MAME, FC, GB, MD, SFC, and more, means that you can enjoy all of your favorite games in one convenient place. The M8 video game stick is the ultimate gaming console for anyone who loves classic titles and wants a seamless and high-quality experience. Whether you're a longtime fan of retro gaming or someone looking to explore the world of vintage games, this console has something for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the M8 video game stick and start your journey into the world of retro gaming today. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to bring back the magic of classic games. Subscribe to our channel for more reviews and updates on the latest gaming technology. Happy gaming!